This penny stock just exploded over 100% in a single day. Avalon Globocare went from 57 cents to $1.08 on massive volume. But here's what makes this chart absolutely critical to understand. Look at the pattern. This stock has been in a brutal downtrend for months, falling from over $3 all the way down to under 60 cents. That's an 80% collapse. And now it just had this massive spike. So the question is this the start of a real reversal, or is this just another dead cat bounce in a dying stock? In the next few minutes, I'm going to break down this pattern and show you what typically happens after moves like this in penny stocks. Alright, so what we're looking at is Avalon Globocare Corporation on the daily time frame. This is a clinical stage biotechnology company. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is educational technical analysis. Current price is $1.08, up 57 cents or 112.51%. That's more than doubling in one day. Volume is absolutely massive at 215.9 million shares. The 50-day EMA in red is at 97 cents. The purple 200-day is at $2.09. Price just spiked through the 50 EMA but is still well below the 200. Let me walk you through the complete disaster that is this chart, because understanding the context is everything. Going back to June and July, Avalon was trading around $3 to $3.5. The stock was already in a downtrend from higher levels, but at least it had some stability in that range. Both moving averages were declining, showing the bearish trend. Then from August through September, we started seeing breakdown. The stock fell from around $3 down to about 250, then 225. Consistent lower highs and lower lows, classic bear market structure. September through October saw more weakness. We went from 225 down to around $2, then 190, testing that 194 support level marked on the chart. Multiple attempts to hold that level, but then November hit and the bottom fell out. We crashed through 194 support and collapsed all the way down to around 128. That's a 35% drop in weeks. No support held, just relentless selling. December and January saw more grinding lower from 128 down to 105, which became another temporary support, but that didn't hold either. We broke below and continued falling. By late January and February, we hit the ultimate low around 58 to 59 cents. That's the dotted line marked on the chart. The stock lost over 80% from those $3 highs. It was trading like a penny stock on life support. Volume was minimal. Nobody cared. It looked completely dead. And then look at what just happened. Massive explosion from around 57 cents to 108. Over 100% in one day on over 215 million shares of volume. This is classic penny stock pump behavior. Either news came out, or this is a coordinated pump, or short squeeze, or combination of all three. So what is the chart telling us technically? First, look at those horizontal levels. 194 at the top marked in blue. 128 is another key level. 105 just below. 59 cents marked as support at the bottom. Second, we're still in a massive downtrend. Look at those declining moving averages. The 50 EMA at 97 cents and the 200 at 209 are both pointing down sharply. Even after this 100% spike, we're still below the 200 EMA. That shows how severe this downtrend has been. Third, we just broke above the 50 EMA at 97 with this spike. That's the first time in months. Breaking above a declining moving average can sometimes signal a trend change, but we need confirmation. Fourth, that volume spike is critical. 215 million shares is massive compared to the normal volume we've been seeing. Something triggered this, either FDA news, trial results, partnership, or pump and dump coordination. Without knowing the catalyst, we have to trade the chart. So what are the scenarios from here? Bearish case, classic penny stock pump and dump. This has all the hallmarks. Dead stock for months, down 80%, suddenly spikes 100% on massive volume. History shows most penny stock pumps crash right back down. If this follows the typical pattern, we could see a gap down tomorrow, or rapid selling back to 90 cents, 80 cents, or even back to 60 cents. First warning sign would be losing $1. If we break below 95 cents with volume, the pump is likely over and we're heading back to the lows. Bullish case, legitimate news driven reversal. Sometimes biotech penny stocks spike on actual FDA approval, trial success, or major partnership. If this move was fundamentally justified, we might consolidate in the 95 cents to 120 range and build a base before another leg higher. For this to play out, we need to see price hold above 95 cents to $1, volume stay elevated but stabilize, and no immediate crash tomorrow. If we can hold $1 and build support there, maybe we attempt to break 128 next. Key levels to watch. Can $1 hold? This is the critical psychological level. Penny stocks below $1 are labeled differently. So holding above is important. Can we hold the 50 EMA at 97 cents? That would be constructive. If we lose 95 cents with volume, we're likely crashing back down. 128 is major resistance above. If we do continue higher, what might be driving this? Avalon is a clinical stage biotech. These stocks are extremely volatile and news driven. Could be FDA announcement, trial data, partnership, or just social media pump. Penny stock biotech is one of the most dangerous sectors to trade because of manipulation and pump schemes. Here's my take. If you caught this spike from 60 cents and you're up 100%, take profits. Don't get greedy. Penny stock pumps rarely hold. If you bought near the top around $1 chasing the spike, you're in serious danger. This could easily crash 50% tomorrow. If you're thinking about buying here after a 100% move, you're insane. This is peak FOMO territory. If you must trade penny stocks, wait for consolidation, wait for a base, wait for confirmation. This isn't just a pump. What I'm watching, does tomorrow gap down and crash? That's classic pump behavior. Or does it hold 95 cents to $1 and consolidate? That would suggest some legitimacy. Does volume stay at 200 million plus, or does it die off? Dead volume means pump is over. Can we actually build a base above $1? That's the only way this becomes tradable. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit like and subscribe, drop a comment. Thanks for watching. Stay disciplined, protect your capital, and I'll see you in the next video.